Hello and good evening, all of you. I am once again here with the short lecture of product design of 8th semester. And till the last lecture, we have discussed the thing regarding the procedure of product development, and we have gone through how production is done, what are the key changes that should be done, keeping in mind the interest of the customer and how economically product design can be done using production planning and following the particular strategy. Also, we have gone through what are the different aspects of the designing and how we can make changes in the existing design. Also, we have gone through what are the steps that should be followed for the economical design of the product. Now, it's very important to see that if we want to reduce the cost of the designing of the product, then ergonomics also plays a very important role in that, and how to use the capacity of the workers which are there in your production house or in your manufacturing firm, so that instead of hiring any skilled worker from outside or taking the help, we can go through the training of our existing workers, and so that redesign can be take place. Now, as far as the automation in the designing is concerned, that also plays a key role. So nowadays softwares are available, so it's very important for the peoples to have the knowledge of the software, because with the help of the softwares which are nowadays available, redesigning of the product is very easy. So various type of software which are used nowadays in the field of designing, we already know the field is known as computer aided designing, CAD, or computer aided designing and drafting, and the complete field is known as computer integrated manufacturing, where all the aspects are controlled with the help of the centrally situated server. Now, softwares you all know available in the field of mechanical engineering are basic software tools like AutoCAD and Solid Edge, CATIA, and sometimes back Ideas was also used, and ProE, HyperWorks, CFDs, Fluent is used. Of course, it is a software dealing with the fluid dynamics. So, if the designing regarding that aspect is to be considered there, so we can go through the we can consider the software also. HyperWorks is also available, and many more softwares, developed softwares are available nowadays. So this all fall under the field of automation. Now, what is automation? Automation is nothing but changes made in any of the process, or changes made in the designing without much interference of the human. Means there is a less interference of human beings. So this is automation. So in the coming lecture, we will be having a little bit discussion regarding the automation also. Okay.